Danjay. Stranded sa Victoria. What can you say?
Hello, good evening. We are na. Good morning.
Wala pa, for 15 minutes pa.
Good evening. Almost good morning. We are here stranded in Victoria Plaza. The rain is very, very strong. Ay, it's not strong.
Si Jingjing maragiring.
Si Jingjing maragiring, diba? New friend.
Hi.
Gaylan. Ha? Gaylan. Gaylan daw.
Gaylan? Hi, Gaylan. Wanna join sa YOP? Ha?
Of course. Oh, of course.
Yeah. What can you say?
Uy, manuwan!
Sige na, Dan. Hi, Jap.
No English.
No English? Mexicano. Yup. Kaya many popcorn with beef. Lovers in Paris.
Lovers in Victoria Plaza.
Standard here.
What can you say?
We are in It's almost 12.
Pinahirapan kami ni Pleasure.
An Englishman.
Hoy!
Busy.
Tumingog ka naman
Okay, we are
dyan.
now in Victoria Plaza. And here, come here.
Yes, we're here at Victoria last time we're live.
Yeah?
We are live.
So what can you say about
Can you interview? Can you interview
Here
him?
the future, you people here we have here Miss Jug.
Miss Jug.
Oh yeah.
Wow! Wow! Hi, Jingjing!
Come here we have
Hi, Jing!
we have a dead person here.
Wow! Tariq! Say hi to the camera! Camera!
Hello, camera. Over here we have a very unique person.
I know you love that person.
Autistic.
You know, stator elbow. Ote. Guys, kayo ba? Ah! Tubig! No, bawal yan. Kita tayo ng Pastor Danny. Pulbo ka pato. This is the place where we are stranded. Stranded. Bawal lagi nakuhaan.
Yan naman.
Bawal lang sa bata ko sa Danny. Ano? Ha? Diba?
Bawal nila kami. Anong oras na?
Yeah.
Oras na.
What time? Ay, ako i-zoom
Tama ba? Midnight and katulog na
Di ba sige i-check ba? Wawawi, 12:10 in the morning. Yeah! Advance! Alam din mo rin. Dito
Ay, ito nga ano. Ay, lumakitan.
March 20.
Yun na.
Jing, maralong ka